I might have found myself the next best display tablet, but I won't be too quick to judge. First, I'm gonna unbox this tablet, review all the features, then decide if this tablet is worthy to sit on the throne and rule all the tablets. In short, this is just a review video. First of all, a disclaimer, Xencelabs never paid me to do this video. However, they did send me a free unit. But just listen to me, will ya? I specifically told them that everything that I say in this video will be my 100% honest review, and they're totally fine with that. So without wasting any more time, let's do this. Let's open up this device, and it has a really nice box. I am really impressed by the packaging. I have used a Wacom tablet before, and it's very reminiscent of how Wacom tablet would package their products. It has this Xencelabs logo. Here's the picture of the device itself and the name of the device and all the features that it comes with. So it's 4K and OLED display. All right, now let's open it up, and you are welcomed with a thank you note in all the different languages. That's a nice touch. And what do we have here? It's the instruction manual. I love this stuff. It's conveniently printed on a large paper. On the left, it has all the different components, and everything is properly numbered, and you can set it up in no time. I really like how they really think about the design. It's awesome. Okay, so this seems like a sleeve. It's a nice soft fabric. And there's the tablet inside with the Xencelabs branding on top. And it might be quite handy if you want to protect your device from dust and everything. So let's take this out and see what's inside. It's not heavy, it's quite lightweight. I love the minimal design. There are large bezels around the screen, but there are no distracting buttons or anything. It's just the screen that you'll be drawing on. So let's see what's next. And here we have the stand. And I really appreciate Xencelabs for including a tablet stand, because I've been noticing that tablet companies these days, they don't really include a tablet stand inside the box. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. I think it's good quality, and I love the design. It's very futuristic. So you can just pop this thing open on different levels. I think you can do this in 3 levels and just make it stand on the table. It also has rubber grip, so it doesn't slip while you draw on top of it. All right, what's hidden beneath this? It's a tablet bag. Wow. So you can actually just pack up your stuff and take this tablet wherever you need it. The fabric is really nice. It's a good quality bag. I've actually never tried a tablet before that has a bag in the box. That's new. It has some cushioning inside as well. All right, let's see what's next. So it seems like we have a bunch of things here. Let's start with this one. What's that? Oh, it's the pen holder that you can stick on the side of your device. And they have included 2 of these because just in case you mess up and break one of these. They know me too well. Starting with the pen holder. So this one is quite similar to the other Xencelabs tablet that I have, the non-display tablet. It also has a very similar pen case. So this has 2 pens. This one is the bigger pen. It's very similar to what you'll get with some of the other tablets like Huion and XP Pen and Wacom. It has a rubber grip, different customizable buttons, just the standard stuff. And then you have the thinner pen that's close to the Apple Pencil. So if you're more familiar with drawing with Apple Pencil, you might find this one more convenient. And it has different pen nibs inside. So this is the controller, the quick keys. So it has different customizable buttons and a dial. The buttons are really nice, the dial is pretty smooth, and it's very good quality. So I think this is a connector because it has a bunch of different ports, HDMI, C-type, etc. This one goes into the tablet. I am probably going to connect the tablet with just a C-type cable. So this is a nice braided C-type cable. So let's open it up, and I'm just going to use this to connect the device with my Mac. So we're not done yet. There is even more stuff in there. Let's check it out. Let's open this one up first and see what's inside. So we have a Xencelabs sticker. I wouldn't personally put it anywhere, but yeah, whatever. And we also have a glove and a fabric to wipe out dust and keep your tablet clean. Very thoughtful. Let's get rid of these and open up the next box. Oh, so here we have different connectors. I'm really hoping that the tablet works with just one cable. If it does that, that would be so convenient for me. They are very thoughtful and they made sure that they include different types of wires so that whatever your drawing setup is, you can make sure that you have got the cables for it. Alright, so now let's get rid of the box. I'll just place the stand here on the table and put the tablet on top of that. And I have connected it to my MacBook with just one wire, and I hope that it works. Alright, now that I have my tablet set up, let me try drawing on this thing. So let's see how it does while I draw straight lines. I think it's doing a pretty good job. I don't feel a lot of lag. I don't feel any jitter in the lines, and overall it's pretty smooth. I think it's very similar to some of the Huion tablets. If I draw slowly, there is no noticeable lag, but if I draw very fast, there is a little bit of lag, but I think it's pretty normal in all of the tablets. I don't think it's very noticeable. It's totally workable. The pressure sensitivity works great. The display is really nice. I really like how the display is very crisp. So let me draw something very quickly and I'll get back to you in a minute. Me from my winter hell. I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep into you. Alright, so here are some final thoughts about this tablet. I think it's a pretty great device. The setup is quite easy to do. The build quality is awesome. It's premium, so I think it would last longer. And the display is super impressive. I mainly like drawing on this thing because of how good the display is. As for the lag, I did notice a little bit of a lag, but it's very similar to what all of the other tablets have. Maybe I'm comparing it too much with Procreate and iPad, because Procreate and iPad has the least amount of lag. They've clearly done something with that combination. But for working in Photoshop, I definitely think this is one of the best options. If pricing is an issue, or if you're trying out a display tablet for the very first time, there are a lot of other options that are in a much lower price range, so those options might be more suitable for you. But if you want to upgrade to a better tablet, or maybe want the device to hopefully last longer, then I think this is a good choice. I mean, I haven't tested this device through years and years of using it, but from the build quality, I am assuming that it would last longer. So that's what I think about this tablet. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.